Hey guys, my name's Melody and welcome to my channel Melody Wolf, and I have a team which is Team Wings, and if you want to join Team Wings you just have to subscribe on this channel because this channel is Team Wings. Okay, so I also have a Musical.ly account which is Melody Wolf 80, so go follow me there. Also, I think we should get started into this very first video. Okay, so this very first video is where my sister has made some of these cute little mini slimes. Put these into containers that she has made, like not containers, she made slime she's made, and I'm going to try them, like squish them and play with them, and I'm going to judge them out of a score out of 1 to 10 and what she could have done better with the slimes. Okay, first slime we're going to bring on is this one. It's got a lot of loom bands in it, as you can see, a bit too much, I recommend. That's already one thing that I know what's going to be wrong with this slime. But let's go. As you can see, it's got a lot of loom bands. If you can see better now. And I'm just touching this top bit here because it's really nice. It is nice. But I think we should get it out now. So as you can see, it's not sticky at all, and it's on my hand. Like how it's gotten out of this case. And if I squish it, I'll show you what happens. Okay, this is what it looks like. If I squish it, it'll have the fingerprint go like right in. See? Okay. The stretchiness is not really that good. And the squishiness is like, it's more like a stress toy. Like you squish it and squish it. Ugh. Very stretchy. Now, if you like, it's very stretchy when you go like this. You like go super slow. Never mind, it's really hard. But before, when I was like this, it was like easy. I don't know what I did there, but it's not stretchy anymore. It's more like a stress toy, and a lot of movements are coming out like this. Some others in there, and it's really, really squishy. Okay, I'm going to say what you could have done better was less loom bands, maybe not put it in a container with a crack, or I don't know, you could have had less eye contact solution line and other stuff like that. So I'm going to rate it a 4 out of 10 because it wasn't really that good at all. Alright, moving on with this butter slime that she made. I can already see that it's falling apart. Wow. So that's kind of cute though. I'm going to take a little bit. Whoa. It falls apart quickly and it's like a messy over your hands. But that's so cool. It's like if your kid wants to do an activity or something that's messy in that. It's like a family activity. Whoa! It's a family activity. That's really cool. So it's very messy, but it's fun to scrunch, and you can put it in like little containers and make them go bush up and then sprinkle them. Oh, that's so cool. Let's put them back in. So that creates a whole lot of mess, but it's really fun. I like it. I love it, and it's like so nice. For a family activity, I keep thinking, wow, like the mom and the daughter, the son and the dad, or the whole of them, the younger kid. Holy gosh, that would be so fun. I want to do that. Maybe Lord will. I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10 because it kept falling apart, and it was really messy, but it was so fun. It's really squishy, but butter slime for one does not stretch. You can't stretch butter slime. But while I'm talking about not stretching butter slime, I don't know what you could have done better. Maybe less corn flour, because a lot of corn flour makes it go less. Sticking together, it falls apart. So I'm talking about it doesn't stretch. There's this butter slime that she made with beads and stuff that stretches. It used to stretch a lot, she said, I've actually tried this one, and it used to stretch a lot. But this one's gone hard, but it used to stretch a lot, like I'm saying, and it's because she used butter slime and her stretchy slime together. That could be a recipe if you want to try that. And it like was sticking all together. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10 because it's not stretchy and it's just really hard. It's not really that squishy either. It just feels plain. I didn't really store it into a container. When I mean she didn't really store it into a container, I mean that it's really gone hard. It's just gone really hard and that. And it's not even like a stress toy. Wow, beads just fell everywhere. It's not really even like a stress toy. So, 5 out of, no, not 5 out of 10. I'm changing my score to 2 out of 10. And she could have done a lot better. Now, I think there's one more. Yep. So let's go try this one. Whoa. That is impossible to stretch. That is so hard. It's so squishy though. I love the squishiness. I love the squishiness so much. It's so good for like squishiness. But look what happens when you stretch it. It's just impossible. Alrighty, so she could have added not that much eye contact solution. And she didn't lose that much glue, so you could have just did less eye contact solution and a bit less baking soda. But this is pretty good. I'm going to score it a 5 out of 10 because it's really squishy, but not stretchy, and it was really fun to play with. And I already said what she could have done better. And yeah, so these are all the slimes that she did today to show us, including this one. And yeah, that she did for us. And none was 10 out of 10 because they weren't that stretchy or anything. But yeah, stay tuned for more, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And bye! Also, go follow me on Musical.ly and subscribe. Bye!